You know what? You don't need to go travel far from your home always. Just wake up in the morning and look around your garden. Really is a peace watching this type of scenario in the morning. You could be able to see the beauty always there in your garden. You know guys, nature is always a mystery as well as the beauty. It's a great truth of my life. When I feel sorrow, I just go there in my garden and feel the beauty of this environment. Let's guys make this relationship more attractive with plants and flowers. Really, it's a peaceful moment when we are with these plants and flowers, with our nature's beauty. Just wanted to show you the beauty of my garden today guys, with a cinematic way. I hope you have liked this way. You can travel a lot guys, but the beauty of your garden can never measurable. Just go out in your garden and take care of your plants and the flowers. I hope you will be more happy in your life.